Hey guys, this is Conman from Trade for Freedom. Happy Tuesday. Okay, we're doing some stock reviews. Before that, have a look at our disclaimer. All right. Okay, so the first stock we're going to look at is SPY. So SPY, we mentioned yesterday, we have an area of interest which is here. So if it breaks down, then there's a higher tendency for the price to actually go down. But you can see the wick here. So it kind of like rejected this low. So the break wasn't strong, hence the price is going sideways. So for now, if you ask me if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, I'm not really that certain. But what I can tell you is it's still ranging. So even if it goes up now, it's going up quite weak. So there's also a chance that even if it goes up like this towards the top of the trend line, do not be surprised if it were to make another move down. Okay, unless we have a really clear breakout that overshoots this trend line, then we can say SPY is starting to be bullish. For now, it's ranging. Okay. Next, we have BTC USD. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is making a push right now. Okay. So it's still in the range. Don't get me wrong. It's still in a very horizontal range right now, like from here and here. So two things can happen. One, uh, it can go up, come down and go up. So you can break out, retest and go up, or it can just come down and then it's going to linger sideways for quite some time. There's also a resistance here. Okay, there's a strong resistance here. So there's also a possibility that if it breaks up, it can also fake out and come back down and test this low once again. So a couple of scenarios here. Can't really pinpoint exactly what's going to happen as it's currently ranging, so it's tricky. But we will monitor the next coming days. Next is Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is different, slightly different. So Ethereum, we have like we call this like a Quasimodo, okay, a breakout. So we have the left shoulder here that coincides with this resistance. So two things can happen because Ethereum is actually in a channel like this. Okay, so it's like this. So there are two scenarios. This might be a fake out. Okay, if this push doesn't sustain, do not be surprised that most likely price will come back. So two scenarios that I look at it, two scenarios. One, it will come back, test, and it will go up. So indicates that Ethereum is going to start going up. Two, if it will come down, most likely scenario, and if it breaks this like this and it goes, then most likely it's going to come and test this area here at about 1006. You can see all the support around this area. Okay, so this is two scenarios. And now it's broken, retest, goes up, or broken, retest, and comes down. Two scenarios for Ethereum. Next, we have HIMS. Okay, so HIMS is bullish. We've mentioned this. So it already hit market cycle 3. So HIMS is practically done in terms of the move from here to here. So let's see what's up with HIMS right now. So HIMS has a door on the way down from the top. So currently it's rejecting market cycle 1, but the momentum is still to the downside. The door is not open to move up yet. The door it's only open if it breaks and closes above this price. All right. So what price is this? This is about 35.62. So if let's say if it breaks and closes at 36 and above, then I can say HIMS is going to make the push towards the upside. But now the door is not open, so we're expecting the price. If it doesn't break and close above this, then it's probably going to go down and test the $30 mark at market cycle 2. Okay, that's HIMS. Before we continue, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. This is our dashboard. Create an account, it's free. Okay, we have all these features. Okay, you can look at all these features, the upcoming events, the watch list. You can create your own watch list, add your tickers of your choice. It's updated in real time. Okay, join our Discord if you haven't joined yet, and this is our VIP training desk. Upgrade to VIP if you like what we do. Okay, next we have Amazon. Okay, so Amazon we made on a scalp yesterday. Currently it's ranging. Okay, it's ranging right now. So let me see on the bigger time frame. Okay, it's ranging. However, the door is open to the upside. Okay, so while it's ranging, it's slowly climbing up. We're still currently, it's the reason why it's slowing down is because there's a solid resistance here, okay, which coincides with market cycle one. So if you're wondering if Amazon is going to start going down right now, I can tell you not yet, because the door is not open for Amazon to go down. It's still towards the upside. So my bias is still bullish until proven otherwise. So we're expecting a break of 188, this one, and we're going up to about 265. So currently this is our expectation, but let's see. Next we've got Google. Oh, sorry, GOOG. Okay, Google, I will remove this. And so Google is very simple. Resistance becomes support, very strong one. So it bounced, went down, doors open to the upside, doors open to the downside. So currently it's just sideways. The move, we will know in time to come. Okay. It's still sideways, not really clear exactly where it would go for now. You can see like this. You can see like this. So this might form a triangle, or better still, I can actually see a diamond pattern like this. So yeah. So basically it's in a range right now, a very manipulative range. So if we want to go in and follow the trend, then we got to wait. We got to wait for a clear breakout, either to the upside or downside, before we decide if it's going to be bullish or bearish. So for now, if you guys want to scalp top to bottom based on support and resistance, go ahead. But if trend, we got to wait for a while on Google. Next up, we have IONQ. So IONQ is pushing to the downside. Okay, long story short, it's pushing to the downside. This resistance support wasn't respected on this push down. So it's still moving towards the downside right now. Okay, so let's see where it would stop. Where would it stop? So we have a push here, push here. So door is open at this candle, and it's breaking market cycle one. So there's a quite a high chance that it will drop further down to market cycle two, which is around this region at about $29. Okay, so we are expecting a move towards the downside for IONQ. Unless the door is open to the upside, yeah, but for currently it's still pushing down. So IONQ, we're bearish right now. Okay, USAR is quite is a bit more obvious. Okay, USAR is very obvious. You have a triangle, okay, from here to here and here to here, and currently you're at the bottom of the range. So technically, you guys are at a discount. And also, each time you have a triangle, look for harmonic patterns. So I can see a very nice cipher pattern here. So with this cipher pattern and the right price action in the next coming days, or maybe in the next coming hours, we're expecting the price to go to the upside. One, to test 26. If it were to go up higher, then it will probably test about 29. So 26 or 29 will be the price that I'm looking at if it starts to push up right now. Okay. Last but not least, UUUU. Let's have a look. Okay, I will remove everything. ABC. Okay, ABC correction still stands for this. Okay, so basically, market pushed up it's making an ABC correction. So we are at the bottom of the range for. Wait, before that, please let me have a look if it's a bullish stock or not. Okay, it's a classic five-wave pattern. Okay, it's a classic five-wave pattern. 1, 2, ABC. But overall, it's still bullish. Okay, overall it's bullish. So it's a ABC correction. We're at the bottom of the range. So it's either going to be like, is this a flat correction? Most likely it's going to be a flat correction. So it should stop somewhere around here, or it might make one more push down for a tree drive. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the price makes a move to the upside. Okay, this is more likely, it's more likely to make one more push down based on the wedge right now. Okay, you can see it. We can see the trend lines. They are getting closer to each other. So I would expect one more push down before it goes up. So it sweeps liquidity at the bottom and makes a push up, which is better for us to go long, okay? That shows that the bears have exhausted and the bulls will come in. If it were to go up right now like this, just beware, just be aware that it might stall around this area and it might come back down and then it might go up. So better still for the guys who are bullish on UUU for it to make one more push down before it goes up. Okay, so that's it, guys, on my end. So hope you enjoyed these videos and do not forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, and see you guys on Discord. Thank you very much.